Question number 10. A circle have a center of this and radius of this. So we know that if we have a center of x1, y1 with the radius of r, then the equation will be x minus x1 square plus the y minus y1 square equal to r square. So for this one, it will be x minus 2 square plus the y plus 4 square equal to 3 square. So this will be the equation. So for this one, this is the first equation. The line y equal to 2x minus 3 intersect the circle at point AB. So we have the y equal to 2x minus 3. This is equation number 2. So we can sub the equation 2 into the equation 1. So sub 2 into 1. Then we have the x minus 2 square plus the 2x minus 3 plus 4 square equal to 3 square. So we have a x square minus 4x plus 4. So this one will be the 2x plus 1. So plus 4x square plus 4x plus 1 minus 9 equal to 0. Then we have the 5x square, and we have the 4x minus 4x, then is cancelled. Then 5 minus 9 then is the negative 4 equal to 0. Okay. So from here, we will have the x squared equal to 4 over 5. So x will be the plus minus square root 4 over 5. Then it will be the plus minus 2 over square root 5. Or we multiply the square root 5 here. Then it will be the 2 square root 5 over 5. Okay. So sub x into equation 2. Equation 2 is the y is 2x minus 3. So y equal to 2 minus 3. Okay. So the x is, this is the 2 square root 5. 2 square root 5 over 5. And then this is plus minus negative 2 square root 5 over 5. Then it will be the 4 square root 5. Okay. Minus this one is 15 over 5. Okay. And then, or I just have the 4 square root 5 over 5 minus 3, and the negative 4 square root 5 over 5 minus 3. Okay. And then this is the AB. So the perpendicular bisector of AB intersect the circle at point XY. So we want to find the perpendicular bisector of AB. So the AB, we have the 2 square root 5 over 5 and 4 square root 5 over 5 minus 3 is A, and the negative 2 square root 5 over 5 and negative 4 square root 5 over 5 minus 3 is B. So gradient of AB will be the 4 square root 5 over 5 minus 3 minus the negative 4 square root 5 over 5 minus 3 over the 2 square root 5 over 5 minus negative 2 square root 5 over 5. So this one will be 8 square root 5 over 5. Negative 3 plus 3 and cancel. Then this one is 4 square root 5 over 5. So this one will be 2. And then the gradient of perpendicular bisector will be negative 1 over 2. Okay. So the midpoint, okay, will be sum of these two divided by 2. So the 2 square root 5 over 5 plus the negative 2 square root 5 over 5 over 2 and then the 4 square root 5 over 5 minus 3 plus the negative 4 square root 5 over 5 minus 3 divided by 2. So the midpoint will be the 0. Okay, so the midpoint will be the 0, and then this one minus this one negative 3. Okay, so we have the midpoint is this, gradient of the perpendicular bisector is negative half, so we have the y equal to negative half, no, y y plus y minus negative 3 equal to negative half x plus x minus 0. So we have the negative half x minus 3. So y equal to negative half x minus 3. Actually, this one is c. So y equal to mx plus c, negative half x minus 3. Okay, so this will be the equation number 3. So I can sub equation number 3 to the equation number 1. Okay, then we will get the new equation to solve. So this one we sub equation 3 into equation 1. Then this one is the negative half x plus minus 3. So we have the negative half x minus 3. So it will become the negative half x plus 1. So we have x squared minus 4x plus 4, and then plus 1 over 4x minus x plus 1. Okay, so this one is actually, when I have this one square, it will be negative half x square plus 2 negative half x 1 plus 1 square. Then it will be negative 1 over 4x square, and then minus, this is plus minus x and plus 1. Okay, minus 9 equal to 0. So all multiply with 4, then we have 4x squared minus 16x plus 16 plus x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 36 equal to 0. Then we have 5x squared minus 20x, and then minus 20. So x squared minus 4x minus 4 equal to 0. So equal to 0, then have the xx. So this one we cannot do the factorization here, so we use the formula. So x equal to 4 plus minus square root negative 4 square minus 4 1 negative 4 divided by 2 1. So over here, equation simultaneous, no, not simultaneous, equation polynomial degree 2, then we have the 1 and then negative 4 negative 4. So negative 4 negative 4. So we have the 2 plus 2 square root 2 and 2 minus 2 square root 2. So it will become 4 plus minus something. This one will be the 16 plus 16, then 32. So 32 will be the 4 square root 2. Then this will be the 2 plus minus 2 square root 2. So 2 plus minus 2 square root 2. Okay, then we can find the value of y. So y is negative half x minus 3. So sub the value of x into equation 2. Then the y is negative half 2 plus minus square root 2, and then minus 3. Then it will be negative 1 minus plus square root 2 minus 3. Then we have negative 4 minus plus square root 2. Okay, so the coordinate will be the 2 plus 2 square root 2, negative 4 minus square root 2. And the other one will be 2 plus 2 minus 2 square root 2, and then negative 4 plus square root 2. Okay, so we have the A, B, C, D will be this 4 point. Okay, so we have this 4 point as the A, B, C, D, and the AB is this. Okay, so A, B, C, D. So the question asks us to find the area of ABCD. No, the kite ABCD. So AB XY. Okay. If we use the small to plot this point, then we have the ABCD here. So let's say this is A. So this is A. Then this will be A. Then this is B. Then this is B. Then we have the 2 plus 2. This one will be X. Then this is X, and this is Y. Okay, this is the Y here. So AX BY. So it's AX BY. Okay, so what we have will be the AX BY, and what we want is find for the area of AX BY. So the area of AX BY will be the half 2 square root 5 over 5, and then 4 square root 5 over 5 minus 3, and then X is 2 plus 2 square root 2, negative 4 minus square root 2, and then B is negative 2 square root 5 over 5, and then negative 4 square root 5 over 5 minus 3, and then we have the 2 minus 2 square root 2, negative 4 plus square root 2, and then 2 square root 5 over 5, and the 4 square root 5 over 5 minus 3. And this multiply this, and then minus with this. So if you do to find the area using this method, then it will be very difficult. Okay, but what happened here, we look at the answer scheme. No, maybe I can just find this one. Okay, so we have the half, then this one we have the negative 8 square root 5 over 5, and then minus 4, this one will be negative, and then minus 2 square root 10 over 5, and then this one multiply this one. Wow, a lot of thing to do. So I will just don't do this. Okay, so what show in the answer scheme is, since it is the perpendicular bisector, okay, then we know that so we can find the, if we want to find the area of this cut here, so if we want to find the area of this cut here, then we can just use the 1 over 2 AB XY. So we can find the length of AB easily. Okay, so we can find the length of AB easily. So AB will be the 2 over square root 5 minus the 2 square root 5 over 5, and this one square, plus the 4 square root 5 over 5 minus 3, minus the negative 4 square root 5 over 5 minus 3, and square, and the whole thing square root. So this will be the length of AB. Okay, so then it will be 4 square root 5 over 5 square, and then this will be the this one minus this one, then it's 8 square root 5 over 5 square root. Okay, then it will be 16 plus 4 square plus 8 square, so 4 square plus 8 square, then it's 80 divided by 5, 16, so it will square root 16, then it is 4, so the value of AB is 4. So if you just use this way, this is the 4 square root 5 over 5 square plus the 8 square root 5 over 5 square, then it's 4 square root 10. This one is 8, not 4. This is 8, then it's 4 here. Yes, and we know that actually the XY is the diameter. Okay, the perpendicular bisector of AB will pass through XY, and the XY will be the diameter. So we know that XY is diameter, then it will be 2 times 3, 6. So the area for kite will be the half times 4 times 6, then it's 12 units square. Okay, so just now if we expand this one, okay, then it will be 12. Okay, but the step will be not easy to do. Okay, so it's easier, you find AB, XY, and then the area of kite will be half time diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Okay, so we know that the area of kite is the half time diagonal 1 diagonal 2.